uh, July 16th. I get to do the Mahoosuc Notch today. I stopped just before it last night. So I got about four or 5 miles, a couple of mountains that looks like this, and then the Mahoosuc Notch. For those of you that don't know, the Mahoosuc Notch is that 1 mile of the Appalachian Trail that is supposed to be really hard, and it's actually giving you, because this is the Mahoosuc Trail, because there is no Appalachian Trail according to the AMC. We're just AT in little brackets. Anyway, the Mahoosuc Trail, they're giving you little hints of it because it's a little treacherous through here. I mean, you got to really climb, which I'm not used to after 1,900 miles of this trail. Now they're finally starting to throw this stuff in. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna make breakfast and then I'll get up. I'll worry about it in a second. You know how it goes. I'm in Maine. I'm taking my time now. I have walked 14 states and grown a massive beard while doing it. My pillow. I love my pillow. Me this morning. There's people over there. Somebody in the privy. The hammock guy is gone. They got all the kids up there. And there's the shelter. It's supposed to start light rain here in a little bit. And by the time I get to Mahoosuc Notch, it's supposed to be raining. So I'm going to do the Mahoosuc Notch, the worst part of the trail in the rain. Let's see how this goes. Yay, let me pack all this stuff
One
up.
trick, I found this buff, which is a wool buff. And then I have a couple of nylon buffs. I have 2 nylon and this. The reason I've got a couple of nylon is because they get pretty nasty and then I can switch it out. Or I can use one for a handle or whatever. But this wool one I use only when I'm cold. But other than that, I also put it on top of my pillow, my blow-up pillow. It keeps the blow-up pillow from moving around too much. It works, and it gives it a double use. Okay, I'm gonna have a problem today filming because it's raining, and I'm leaving the shelter, but it's raining pretty well, and my phone doesn't work that well in the rain. I'm headed toward Mahoosuc Notch, about 5 or 6 miles away, and then it's a 2-hour, whatever, through that 1 mile. But in the rain, I don't even know what it's going to be. But, why do anything easy? Why? Now, I've already made it to Maine, so I'm not sure why it's still raining, and I hope I don't get any pain. But we'll see how it goes. Man, it is hard to get this phone to work in the rain. But I'm on top of something here. And as you can see, I'm in a cloud. And cut my phone back up for a second. So, as you can see, I'm still walking through a cloud all day long. It's about 10:30. You know, that's just the way it goes. And of course, there's this crap all day long. Yeah. There. Wasn't that worth coming? It has been sluggy. It's impossible today. Impossible. It's like, wow. And this is not one of the bigger peaks I've been on. And this is what I get all day long. Those other ones back there were blowing me off the top. You gotta be kidding me. Rain, rocks, and everything. Oh. I saw where, I've been sick for about a week now. I saw where somebody said I might have Giardia. But I've been keeping my bottles shaken, so that it keeps the Giardia dizzy. So I figured I'd be okay. I'm meeting so many people that are southbound, and they're all, well, no, I wouldn't say they're all nice, but some of them are nice. Some of them are like, ooh, we're going, ooh, and then we don't have time to talk, and we're doing 21 miles a day. It's like whatever, but a good portion of them are pretty nice people that I've talked to so far. Yeah, so it's nice to see those guys going by. Brings it back. Everything brings it back. I'm feeling better. The rain has stopped momentarily. I was thinking about stopping at it's taken so long to get this far that I was thinking about stopping at the, I can get down, at the next shelter instead of going through the notch. But if it stays like this, I'm just going to go straight on through the notch the rest of the afternoon and then camp on the other side. But right now I'm just looking for some water because I've been out for an hour or so and I'd like some water. Water, please. I would like some water. Thank you. There's a
shelter. Full goose shelter. And it says north, red area, to water source, overflow. So I want to go to the water source. So I have to go around the bear box, or between the bear box and there, and then go over there, and then I'll find the water. There's the bear box. There's a sign. It even tells me water. Hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, you guys are headed which way?
Sobo. We're headed
Sobo, and you've been out for how long now?
I'm section hiking and been out 2 weeks.
And how's it going?
It's got its goods and its bads, its ups and its downs. But it's really beautiful.
She's never also backpacked before, so she comes out for the hardest section.
Yeah.
This
Oh,
is her
you've
first
never
time.
backpacked before?
Never backpacked before. I'm from Kansas. And
Oh, wow.
It's flat and never seen a mountain and climbed it.
So what are your names? Your trail names?
I'm Jump.
Jump.
Yeah, she's jumping right in. That's how she got her name. I'm Jukebox, and I've been out for a month, and I'm going all the way through, God willing. So.
Oh, and how are you loving it so far?
It's the same thing. I mean, there's times when you're like, this is the best thing I think I've ever done, and there's other times when you're like, this is the worst.
You guys still have pretty good energy levels.
Yeah.
You guys are really digging it.
Yeah.
That's what I can tell.
Yeah, it's just like just going with what your body feels. You know, if it's tired, like stop. If it's feeling good, keep going. So just
Yeah.
listening to yourself.
Is that what you think too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of
It
just
really
like
is.
instead of just being stubborn or bullheaded, I don't know. I think
Yeah.
it's listening to your body. It's been like really good.
Yeah, and taking that time to enjoy the views once you've worked
Yeah.
hard to get up to the top, and to take in the beauty that's before you and what you don't get to see every day.
Well, now you've been out a month. Was there anything you would have taken or changed? You've been out a month and you had time to think about it. Is there anything you would change?
Yeah, probably started off with a lighter pack.
Start off with a lighter pack, you go lighter.
Yeah.
So your comfort level is pretty good
Yeah, my
with what you
comfort's
got.
pretty good. Yeah, most of my stuff is good, but there's just like little. I think it really is the nitty gritty little things. The big stuff I got right, but it was the little stuff that I'm like, I didn't need that.
So like clothes wise, you're good.
Pretty much, yeah. I took off like the brain of my things like I took off the brain of my pack. And I was like, I don't need
Cut
it.
straps.
So things like cut straps and cut my toothbrush in half and like that kind of stuff. I mean, just it's like I don't need it. So,
Well, you guys seem really happy together, so you guys seem to be doing
yeah,
really well.
she's alright.
Enjoy.
Company.
Yeah, so
That's
good,
another
good.
thing too is like having good company, having a good trail family makes it different.
And you're going to be out for how much longer?
About 2.5 more weeks.
And then you're going to go on from there. So you guys, you'll be through New Hampshire. You'll be in Vermont by the time you go.
Depending on how fast we get through
Depending
the
on our
whites
bodies.
and the
I have the feeling you're
presidentials,
in 2 more weeks. You'll
yeah,
presidentials.
the whites and
Yeah.
the presidentials.
If you guys went through this, the presidentials, a little weird to get up, but once you're up, you're up.
Yeah,
So
kind of skirt.
yeah,
Yeah.
and then you do moose lock, but you're coming at it south to north instead of north to south, so
Yeah.
you're going up.
Yeah.
Up and up. Yeah.
All right, thanks, guys.
Not a
Thanks,
problem.
Bye.